In this problem, we're being asked to find the derivative of this function. So we have x squared times e to the negative x squared. So we have a product. So we're going to use something called the product rule. The product rule says if we have a function f times a function g, and we want to take the derivative, we do the following. So you want to think of f as your first function and g as your second function. So it's the derivative of the first times the second plus the first times the derivative of the second. So this is our first function and this is our second function. So let's do it. So dy dx, that's the derivative of y with respect to x. So the derivative of the first is just the derivative of x squared, which is just 2x with the power rule, so 2x, times the second, so e to the negative x squared. And by the way, the reason it's 2x, if you don't know, it's because you bring down the 2 and you subtract 1. That's the rule. You always just subtract 1 to really get 2x to the first power. That's the derivative of the first times the second plus the first, so x squared. And here's where it gets tricky. We have to take the derivative of this piece here. So the derivative of e to the x is e to the x. So this will be e to the negative x squared. But then it's not just x. So what you have to do is you have to multiply by the derivative of the inside. That's the chain rule. So it'll be negative 2x. And now we just clean it up. So this is 2x e to the negative x squared. So this times this, we can combine the exponents. So it'll be minus 2x cubed e to the negative x squared. And that would be, that's a 2, and that's a 2 as well. And that would be the final answer. I hope this video has been helpful to someone out there in the world who is trying to learn some calculus. Good luck.